Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Popeyes chicken at home. Get ready to unlock the secrets to creating that incredibly crispy, flavorful fried chicken we all love, right in your own kitchen. We'll go over the essential steps, from selecting the best ingredients to mastering the frying technique, ensuring your homemade version is absolutely delicious. Prepare to impress everyone with a meal that tastes just like your favorite fast food treat, but made with your own special touch. Let's dive in and start cooking. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh chicken pieces, preferably bone-in, and a generous amount of buttermilk for that signature tender texture. The magic truly begins with a robust blend of spices, including cayenne pepper, paprika, and garlic powder, to infuse deep flavor. Remember to marinate your chicken for at least 12 hours or even overnight to ensure it absorbs all those wonderful seasonings. This crucial step guarantees a juicy and flavorful result, making all the difference in your final dish. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat your oil to a consistent 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is key for achieving that perfect golden brown crust without overcooking the inside. Fry your chicken in small batches to prevent overcrowding the pot, which can lower the oil temperature and result in soggy chicken. Each batch should cook for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a crispy exterior and perfectly cooked, juicy interior every time. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary masterpiece. Once your chicken is beautifully golden and crispy, remove it from the oil and let it rest on a wire rack for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Serve your homemade Popeye-style chicken with your favorite classic sides, perhaps some creamy mashed potatoes, fluffy biscuits, or a refreshing coleslaw. You've successfully recreated that iconic taste at home, and now it's time to savor every delicious moment. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.